Yes, many thanks to you wherever you're watching in from. Consider subscribing and also hitting that notification button for all the latest news updates. Yes, controversial lawyer Male Mabirizi has castigated the legal team that is in charge of the National Unity Platform's election petition against Museveni. According to Mabirizi, the lawyers that are representing NUP and Bobi Wine did a pathetic job in court and they should be sued or blamed for the results. Yes, the controversial lawyer said all these statements while appearing on a certain TV station. And this is what he had to say. The lawyers, Ssegona Medard and his team, are at fault for treating this case with simplicity. They failed to treat it with importance. They treated it like a personal case. Ssegona and team should be sued for incompetence. They are incompetent, Mabirizi claimed. Their client reached out to them in order to draft a petition. On Friday, they asked the court to file on Saturday. The court gave them 2 more days. They came at 3 p.m. The petition must have been the finest work any lawyer would have done because it comes only once in 5 days. But when I read through this petition, it was pure mockery. This is what Mabirizi had to say. Mabirizi is not the first to express that the NUP petition was shallow. Following the filing by NUP, President Museveni's lawyer Jet Tumwebaza indicated that the petition by Bobi Wine is the weakest they have ever encountered. We were served and have had an opportunity to read through the petition, and I can tell you for certain it is shallow as a pothole, short on content and empty of substance. It is one of those petitions that is so much waste of paper, Tumwebaza claimed. Yes, retired Supreme Court Judge George Kanyayibahamba also stated that the lawyers of Bobi Wine mishandled the case and turned down advice to help them create a better petition. He blamed them for being incompetent and leading to the collapse of the petition. Speaking more of the matter, Mabirizi pinned that Bobi Wine and the team cannot use excuses since they came to court well aware and ready to petition. They were able to say yes, we can beat the deadline. A few days later, they came back to court saying, we want to amend. That was unserious. Who made the weak petition to amend in the first place? Mabirizi wondered. Ssegona was the lawyer who filed the petition. He cannot be the same lawyer seeking to amend. He had enough time to get the petition right. He cannot come again and say, I have seen something different. So who is fooling who? This is what he posed. He said that lawyers exhibited further incompetence when they filed the first primary petition with just one affidavit. When they filed the petition primarily, they came with just one affidavit. A case of this magnitude and you come with a single affidavit. 11 days later, no single affidavit had been filed. Ssegona said he had many more affidavits, and when he got more time, he only came with 50 affidavits. Then he returns and says, we have an extra, please allow us. That is foolery. You are given time. You are given a time frame and you are failing at every level. No wonder you withdrew the petition. Yes, this is what Mabirizi keeps on insinuating. According to Mabirizi, the court did not refuse an amendment, and it is wrong for people to use the comparison of the Mbabazi case where an amendment was allowed. Circumstances are very different. In the Mbabazi case, Severino Twinobusinji team filed a petition. Then when Mbabazi had another senior lawyer, Mohamed Mbabazi, he sought to amend because he was not the one who wrote the first petition. He needed to get control of this petition, hence an amendment was required. Mabirizi said, This is different because Ssegona and the team wrote the petition. They cannot claim they did not go through it, he added. He said, it is absurd that the NUP team is withdrawing the petition and still cannot do it right. They thought it was a land case. That is why someone just goes to come out and says, I'm withdrawing. They have no idea about the technicalities, Mabirizi added. The rules say you just support the petition to withdraw with the two affidavits of the petitioner stating he had not been bribed. Still, they could not do it. So, many thanks to you wherever you're watching in from. Bobi Wine's lawyers should be sued for incompetence, and this was Lawyer Mabirizi. Consider subscribing for all the latest news updates.